Lisa, your shoes are on fire.
What?
I'm pulling your leg. I'm pulling your leg. Ha! How does it feel, Lisa? How does it feel?
Okay, very good. Now stop pulling my leg and start running.
Have you ever said something in English and everyone smiled, but it was a little wrong?
Or heard an expression so strange you thought, wait, what does that mean?
Today, we fix the small mistakes.
And we learn the crazy expressions everyone uses. Today, we have 3 short, funny stories.
We'll keep everything simple, slow, and fun. Don't worry about hard grammar. Oh, and one more thing. We want to know our friends. Please write us where you are from.
Yes, write your city or country in the comments. We love to see it.
And before each story, we have a question for you. Listen carefully and find the answer.
Here is our first story. Frank and Betty are having breakfast on the balcony.
Our question for this video, what does Betty put in the toaster?
Write your answer in the comments. Let's watch. Betty! Betty! Look the birds! Look the birds!
The birds? Where?
There! On the tree! Look the birds!
Frank, we say, look at the birds. Look at the birds.
At? Why at?
That's how we say it. Look at something. Look at the birds. Look at me.
But Betty, the birds are there. I say look, you look. The birds don't need at. The birds don't speak English.
The birds don't speak English, but you do.
Listen, when I say look the birds, you understand me? Yes or no?
Yes, I understand you. But it's not natural. Look at the tree. Look at the sky. Look at the birds.
Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the sky. Look at my beautiful wife.
A beautiful wife. Very good, Frank. Now sit down. Your eggs are cold. Frank, I want to water the flowers. Please keep an eye on the toast.
Keep an eye on the toast.
Yes, just keep an eye on it. 2 minutes.
I will. Okay, now, the other eye.
Frank, what are you doing?
Shh. I am keeping my eye on the toast. Don't talk to me. My eye is working.
Frank, your face is very close to the toaster.
Betty, this is hard work. My eye is hot. Can I change? This eye is tired.
Stop! Keep an eye on something means watch it. Like, keep an eye on the kids, it means watch the kids. Or I say, I go to the bathroom. Please keep an eye on my bag. It means watch my bag. You don't put your eye on the bag.
I don't put my eye on the bag? Betty, you said keep an eye on the toast. My eye was on the toast. I am a good husband.
Yes, I know you are. But it's just an expression. Just watch it from your chair, that's all.
Keep an eye on means watch it, not my real eye. Betty, I smell something.
The toast! Frank, you didn't watch it.
Betty! Betty! My eye was on it. The toast burned, but my eye saw everything.
Next time, keep an eye on it from far away, please.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Wow, look at the stars tonight. Wow, look at the stars tonight.
Can you look at this photo for a second? Can you look at this photo for a second?
Can you keep an eye on my coffee? I'll be right back. Can you keep an eye on my coffee? I'll be right back.
Sure. I always keep an eye on the kids at the park. Sure. I always keep an eye on the kids at the park. Okay, now the second video.
Quick question. Did you write where you are from? Don't forget.
And if you like the video, please like it too. It helps us a lot.
Tom and Lisa are at the gym.
Our question for this video: what did Tom leave at the cafe?
Write your answer in the comments. Let's find out.
Oh no! Oh no, no, no!
What's wrong?
I forgot my water bottle at home!
Don't worry. We're almost finished anyway. You can drink water at home.
Oh, good. I was so thirsty just thinking about it.
By the way, Tom, you said, I forgot my water bottle at home. We don't say it like that.
No? But I really forgot it.
You can say, I forgot my bottle, that's fine. But with a place, we say left. I left my water bottle at home.
But Lisa, my brain forgot the bottle. The forgetting happened. Why is the place a problem? My brain doesn't care about the place.
Your brain forgot, but the bottle, you left it. I left my keys at home. I left my phone in the car. I left my bottle at home.
I forgot my bottle? Okay. I left my bottle at home? Okay. But I forgot my bottle at home. Not okay?
Exactly.
Yesterday, I left my jacket at the cafe.
Perfect.
Okay, got it now. Let's exercise.
Tom, I have bad news. I just read an email.
The gym is closing forever. Today is the last day.
What? Forever? But I love this gym.
Relax. I'm just pulling your leg.
My leg. Don't touch my leg.
What? Tom,
Lisa, we are in a gym. My legs are very important today.
What? Tom, I didn't touch your leg.
Then why did you say it? You said, I'm pulling your leg. I felt nothing, but maybe you pulled it very softly. Maybe you are very fast.
Tom, I'm pulling your leg means I'm joking. It's an expression. The gym is not closing. It was a joke.
A joke? So nobody pulled my leg?
It's an expression. The gym is not closing. It was a joke.
Nobody pulled your leg. When I say I'm pulling your leg, it just means I'm joking with you. Like, your friend says, I won $1 million, and then he says, I'm just pulling your leg. It means he's joking.
So the gym is open, and my legs are safe.
The gym is open, and your legs are safe.
Lisa, your shoes are on fire.
What?
I'm pulling your leg. I'm pulling your leg. Ha! How does it feel, Lisa? How does it feel?
Okay, very good. Now stop pulling my leg and start running. You have 20 minutes on the treadmill.
20 minutes. I hope you are pulling my leg.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Oh no, I left my umbrella at the office. Oh no, I left my umbrella at the office.
Hey, did you leave your keys in the car? Hey,
Did you leave your keys in the car?
Are you pulling my leg right now? Are you pulling my leg right now?
Relax, I'm just pulling your leg. Relax, I'm just pulling your leg. Okay, now the third video.
Did you write where you are from yet? Tell us, we really want to know.
And don't forget to like the video before we start.
Frank and Betty are putting a photo on the wall. Our question for this video, does Frank close one eye or two eyes?
Write your answer in the comments. Listen carefully.
A little to the left, no, too much. Now right, up, down a little.
Left, right, up, down. My arms are tired. I don't understand you. Come here and explain me what you want.
Okay. I want it here, in the middle. In the middle. Same line as the window.
The middle. Why didn't you say the middle 20 minutes ago?
I did, Frank. 3 times. And one little thing, you said, explain me what you want. We say, explain it to me.
To me? Betty, I am the only person in this room with tired arms. I say, explain me who didn't understand me. The wall?
I know. But that's how we say it. Explain it to me. Explain the problem to me. Explain the recipe to me.
To is a very small word with a very big job. I don't trust it.
Trust it, Frank. Say it with me. Can you explain it to me?
Okay. Can you explain it to me?
Perfect.
Okay, Betty, can you explain the plan to me one more time, please?
Beautiful. The plan is photo in the middle, same line as the window. Done. Frank, it's not straight.
No, it's perfect.
Frank, you are closing one eye. That's the problem. You close one eye every time you look at it.
Oh, yes, it's not straight. Yes.
Ha! I hit the nail on the head.
No, you didn't.
What?
I hit this nail. Me, with my hammer. 5 minutes ago, you were on the sofa, drinking tea. And where is your hammer? You don't have a hammer. Betty, you can't hit a nail with a teacup.
Frank, listen.
Okay. You want to hit a nail too? Fine. There are more nails in the box. Take one. But this nail is my nail.
Frank, stop. Hit the nail on the head is an expression. It means you are exactly right. I found the problem perfectly. You close one eye, so I hit the nail on the head. For example, you say, Betty, you bought too many shoes, and it's true. And then I say, you hit the nail on the head. It means exactly right.
Hit the nail on the head means exactly right. Betty, ask me something. I want to hit the nail on the head too.
Okay, why is this photo still not straight?
Because the man with the hammer closed one eye. Bam! I hit the nail on the head.
You did. Now fix it with 2 eyes open, please.
Don't worry, little nail. Nobody hits you today. Only expressions.
Now, let's review everything we learned today.
Let's say them all together one more time. Here we go.
Wow, look at the stars tonight. Wow, look at the stars tonight.
Hey, can you look at this photo for a second? Hey, can you look at this photo for a second?
Can you keep an eye on my coffee? I'll be right back. Can you keep an eye on my coffee? I'll be right back.
Sure, I always keep an eye on the kids at the park. Sure, I always keep an eye on the kids at the park.
Oh no, I left my umbrella at the office. Oh no, I left my umbrella at the office.
Hey, did you leave your keys in the car? Hey, did you leave your keys in the car?
Are you pulling my leg right now? Are you pulling my leg right now?
Relax, I'm just pulling your leg. Relax, I'm just pulling your leg.
Sorry, can you explain it to me again? Sorry, can you explain it to me again?
Please explain the rules to me slowly. Please explain the rules to me slowly.
Wow, you really hit the nail on the head. Wow, you really hit the nail on the head.
Hey, did I hit the nail on the head? Hey, did I hit the nail on the head? 10-7-2.
Before you go, we have one big question for you today.
Where are you from? Write your city or country in the comments.
We read every comment, and we love to see friends from all over the world.
And don't forget our 3 questions from the video. Write all your answers too.
See you in the next story. Bye!
Bye, friends.